Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me. I'm just going to do my everyday simple easy look just because I wanted to sit here and talk with you guys so you guys could get to know me a little bit more. First thing I'm going to do is put on some chapstick. I use the Vaseline Lip Therapy and it is in the Rosy Lips. I like it. Feels nice. I'm going to go ahead and spray this dry shampoo in my hair. It's the Not Your Mother's. It's the Plump for Joy. When I first heard about this, my mom had it and I stole it from her. You guys are gonna learn that I steal a lot of things from my mom. So it was funny because when I stole it from her, the brand is Not Your Mother's, and I just kept laughing to myself. I was like, but it is my mother's. I don't know. I thought it was really funny. Maybe it's not funny to you guys. Shout out to mom for always having good stuff for me to steal. Do you guys ever take stuff from your mom? When I was a little girl and I was just starting to get into makeup, I used to take her makeup all the time. And she would never notice because like she had loads and loads and loads and loads amount of it. But like she would always ask me, oh, that's super cute. Where did you get that? And I would always think to myself, your closet. I'm gonna go ahead and pin my hair back. Okay, so now that that's pulled back, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm gonna use today the One Heck of a Blot. It's the One Heck of a Blot Instant Perfecting Power Primer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take like that much there, warm it up in my fingers, and plop this into my pores. I started using this jade roller. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the jade rollers. I like fall into these little fabs. I don't know why I do it. Maybe just because I'm gullible. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Foundation again today. I'm gonna put this on a Real Techniques beauty sponge. Anyways, I fall into these fabs and like I always think that they're gonna work. And honestly, you guys, this jade roller that I have, it came with hyaluronic acid and I've been rolling my face every night and I honestly think that it's working. Like my redness is typically way worse, and maybe it's just the hyaluronic acid in it, but maybe it's the jade roller. Like what if it is the jade roller? My husband makes so much fun of me. He thinks that it's the funniest thing. He'll come home and he'll be like, did you jade roll your face today? And all I can do is like laugh at it because he doesn't think that it's real jade. I got it at Marshall's, so maybe it's not real, but still, he thinks that it's so funny. He likes to make fun of me for it. Maybe I'm just taking better care of my skin since I started using it, and that's why I have noticed a difference. Okay, so now that we're done with foundation, I'm gonna go in and put on my concealer. I'm just gonna use my normal concealers right now. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Someone did ask me on my Instagram yesterday what like drugstore foundation. I think the question was what high-end and what drugstore foundations were my favorite. My favorite high-end foundation, I'm kind of in between two right now. I am really liking this Fenty Beauty foundation. I think that it's really nice. Another one that I like that's high-end is the MAC Studio Fix, the water weight one. I think it's like waterproof. It comes in like a squeezy tube. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, well, I don't know where that is, but it comes in a squeezy tube. It's my favorite drugstore foundation. I did find this. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. It's this one, also in a squeezy tube. Yeah, those are my favorite. As far as like concealers go, I really like so far this Makeup Revolution concealer. It is like a dupe for me for Tape Shape. My favorite high-end is Tarte Tape Shape, which I really do like. That one to me seems like it works the best. It's very full coverage and I'm a full coverage kind of gal, so that is the one that I like. And I think that's why I'm drawn to this Makeup Revolution one, because it is very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape. What's your guys' favorite high-end and drugstore foundation? And if you guys have a concealer that you recommend, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to try them out. What do you guys think of my tree? Do you guys like it? I think that it turned out really cute. I love Christmas time, you guys. Christmas time is my favorite time of the year. Not because of like the presents or anything, but because I really enjoy like being able to be with family, and I like to watch people open up their gifts. Just to like see everyone's facial expressions, especially with the stuff that you got them. I'm setting my face with the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room, is that what it's called? The Powder Room Matte About It in my BoxyCharm so I figured I'd try it. Shout out to BoxyCharm for always hooking it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and spread this around my face. Do you guys have any favorite holiday traditions, like Christmas traditions? With my husband's family, we like to stay the night with his parents on Christmas Eve. Feel like we're kids again. And then in the morning when we wake up, his mom makes these super awesome ham and cheese croissants, and I freaking love those things, you guys. They're so good. And then with my personal family, they live in Georgia, but when we did all live together, I liked to watch my mom put up the tree. Like, my mom wouldn't ever let us help her, but she would let me watch her, and like I would just sit there, keep my mouth shut, and just watch her put up the tree, and I loved that. So this year I FaceTime her so I could watch her put up her tree. I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula bronzer. Do you guys like to sit and watch people put up their trees, or am I just weird like that? Am I just crazy? Okay, so now that we have bronzer on, I am gonna go ahead and contour. Do not judge my palette. I got this at TJ Maxx, I think, and it is the Profusion Blush and Bronzer Complete Adorable. I almost said affordable. It is affordable as well. I really like the shades inside, but what I mean by don't judge is like, there was like this mirror, a mirror with like brushes. I don't know what happened to that. It's long gone, but I'm gonna dip into these two colors. You can clearly see that I really like this color. Then I'm gonna tap that off and I'm gonna place this in the hollows. Okay, so now that we have contour, I'm gonna go in with that dual fiber brush and I'm just gonna blend this out. And then for blush, I'm gonna go back into that same palette. I'm gonna use these two shades here. And then also, before I forget, I am gonna contour my nose just a little bit. I'm gonna use Dudley. Stop it. I am going to use these shades again, just on this fluffy brush. This is a Morphe 504, and I went ahead and tapped into that, and I'm just gonna go down my nose. Okay. And again, blend it out with that dual fiber brush. Make it a little bit more seamless. And then we'll go in with highlight now. I am gonna be using, again, don't judge my stuff, okay? This is like a holy grail to me. It's broken and it is like at the end of its life. This is the e.l.f. Big Highlighter. And I'm just taking that fan brush again down my nose. I'm also going to take, just for a little bit more, this is the Balm Voyage. This is by the Balm. It is in the shade, I do not know how to pronounce this. It is the, I'm not even gonna try it. It is, come on. No, it's not 1 and 2. Kuwakaribisha. That's probably not right. Kuwakaribisha. That doesn't sound right at all. For my eyes today, since I am doing just like an everyday natural look, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. I'm going to dip in the shade Latest and Lazarus. I like to mix the two and then place that into the crease of my eye. And that is literally all I do for my eyes, you guys. I've been wanting to find this palette, or not find, but like try this palette out forever. I was in Marshall's one day and I stumbled upon this and I was like, my Marshalls has been stepping it up lately with like high-end makeup. I'm gonna take the E18 brush and I'm gonna take those two shades again and I'm just gonna buff it on the lower portion of my eye. I don't know why my left eye is so much harder to like mess with the lower lashes. I think maybe it's because I'm like super awkward at a super awkward angle. I don't know, it just drives me insane. Okay, so that's it for the eyes. I'm now gonna go ahead and put on eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the NYX Bronze eyeliner pencil again. I almost forgot what it was called. Okay, so I went ahead and put it on both of my upper lashes. I do like to go ahead and put just a little bit down on my lower lash line as well. Just like the teeniest amount. And then I'm going to show you guys what I like to do. What I'm going to do is I have this little smudger on the end of this eyeliner that I got. And I like to smudge this out. So I'm just going to tug on my eye a little bit. I would not recommend doing this. You're not technically supposed to tug on your eye because it causes wrinkles, but I need to do it, okay? Judge me, I don't care. And then also what I like to do is I like to take that little smudger and I like to smudge out the lower lash line. Since I did use that eyeliner, I like to smudge it out and it kind of looks like maybe I used eyeshadow. It'll be our little secret. See how nice that looks? It's so pretty. Let's go ahead and do my inner corner highlight because I forgot that last time. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, her like actual palette that she made. And I'm going to dip in the shade Beam in this. And again, I'm going to use that little pencil brush. It's my favorite for my inner corner highlight. Place this right in here. Just to kind of brighten up that a little bit. Cool. And then we're gonna put mascara on. I got this Kristofer Buckle mascara in one of my Christmas presents. Don't tell my mom, but I opened up her Christmas presents already. I'm terrible, I know. Don't mind me for a second. For eyebrows, I don't do much for my eyebrows for my everyday look. Like I really keep it just my eyebrows. I like to brush them out though, for sure. And then I have the brow gel by Tony, that's not right. The brow gel by Tonya Crooks. It's the Instatint. It's the light hair one. It looks like this. It looks like this. It's like just little, it's like a tinted brow gel. And it has fibers in it, I think. Oh yeah, tinted brow gel with microfibers. And this is it, you guys. This is all that I do for my eyebrows on like my everyday natural look. And I know someone asked me on Instagram what I do for my eyebrow routine. And for my natural eyebrows, this is literally it. It has taken me a long time to get like a good shape to my brows. I used to go to my nail lady. Would not recommend that. I would go to like someone who actually like does waxing normally, or like a threader. Threading is the worst feeling in the entire world. If you guys like threading and you can sit through threading, good for you. You have bigger balls than I do, but like, I cannot do threading. I do not like to pluck my eyebrows. I do not like that feeling. I don't know what it is. I don't mind getting my eyebrows waxed, so that's fine. That's quick pain. I don't mind quick pain. I do not like to sit there and get tortured with getting my eyebrows threaded. If you guys want to see like me actually do my eyebrows, let me know in the comments below and I will do that for you guys. I can film a eyebrow like tutorial. I don't do anything for my lips either. Honestly, the only thing that I do is use this Vaseline. It gives me like a super cute rosy pink tint to my lips. I like that, and it gives me kind of a glossy look. I like that as well. This is it, you guys. Super easy to do. If I wasn't sitting here like explaining everything to you guys, it would take me literally 15 minutes to get ready. Like, it's super quick and easy. I really like the way that it turned out. It's super easy. I think it's perfect for every day. If you guys want to see a eyebrow tutorial, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Like, not my everyday eyebrow tutorial, but like an eyebrow tutorial. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I almost said moist. Ugh, that word is so gross. Okay. What not to do with your foundation is put it in your hair. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, and this little sponge came with it. I think it's cute. You guys, I always drop stuff. Lord, help me. And I'm just gonna... Who am I right now?